Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, that's good. Are we ready for today's lesson? Okay, today in basic science, we are going to be learning about the earth. We are going to be learning about the earth. Firstly, we are going to know the meaning of earth science. Okay, what do we mean by earth science? Earth science is the study of our planet Earth and the various processes that shape it. Okay? Earth science is the study of our planet Earth and the various processes that shaping it. We are going to be looking at the structure of the Earth structure. Earth is made up of several layers, including the crust, mantle, and the core. Okay, so we are going to be looking at the Earth structure. The crust. This is the Earth's outer layer, like the skin of an apple. It is where we live. There are two parts, the part under the oceans and the part under the land. It is made of solid rock and has mountains and valleys. The crust is the Earth's outer layer, like the skin of an apple. It is where we live. There are two types, the part under the oceans and the part under the land. It's made of solid rock and has mountains and valleys. Okay? We have the mantle. It's right below the crust. It's like a layer of warm, gooey plasticine. It's solid but can move very slowly. Like the plasticine, you can push around. It makes the Earth's surface move, which causes earthquakes and volcanoes. The mantle is right below the crust. It's like a layer of warm gooey plasticine. It's solid but can move very slowly. Like the plasticine, you can push around. It makes the Earth's surface move, which causes earthquakes and volcanoes. Then we have the core. This is the Earth's inner. The outer core is like super hot, melted metal. It creates our planet magnetic field. The inner core is even hotter and stays solid because of the immense pressure. It's mostly made of metals. So the core, we have the outer core, which is like super hot, melted metal, and it creates our planet magnetic field. The inner core is even hotter but stays solid because of its immense pressure. It's mostly made of metals. Okay? We have the rocks as part of a significant part of the earth science. The rock is a significant part of the earth science. Rocks are hard things you can find all over the earth, like in the ground and mountains. We have three types of rocks. We have the igneous rocks. These rocks are made from melted stuff that cools down. You think of them as cooling rocks. They are formed from melted rock that cools down and harden, like granite. We have the sedimentary rocks. These rocks are made when tiny pieces stick together over time, like sticky rocks. They are made from tiny bits of other rocks that get pressed together over a long time, such as sandstone. Okay? We also have the metaphorical rock. These rocks start as one kind but changes because of heat pressure. There are these rocks that start as other types of rock but change due to heat and pressure, such as marble. Rocks can change from one kind to another, like a never-ending story. They can turn from cooling to sticky to changing and back again. So we said we have three types of rock: the igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metaphorical rock. Okay, so we have minerals also as significant parts of earth science. Minerals are also significant parts of earth science. Minerals are like nature little treasures. They are special things hidden inside rocks. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks. They are the natural occurring solid substance with a specific chemical composition and structure. Types of minerals: there are many types, like the shiny ones in jewelries, the soft ones in baby powder, and the salty one we put on our food. People who study rocks, geologists, use simple tests to figure out what a mineral is. They look at its color, see how hard it is, and how it breaks, like a detective game with rocks. Minerals are very useful. We use them in lots of things, like the chalk in the classroom, the plastic in your toys, and the salt in your fries. All these are minerals. Minerals are very useful. So let's go over to knowing the human impact on Earth. The human impact on Earth positively: nature protection. People can save forests, park, animals so they have safe home. It's like being nature's superhero. So humans on Earth protect nature. Clean energy: using the power of the sun, wind, and water can make our planet cleaner and healthier. Recycling: when we recycle, we make old stuff into new stuff. It's like giving things a second chance, and it saves resources. Clean water: clean water is important for everyone. By keeping our water clean, we help fish and animals in rivers and oceans. So humans keep waters clean, they recycle. Learning about nature, knowing more about plants and animals help us protect them. Protecting special animals: some animals are in danger. People work to help them have babies and create a safe place for them to live. Fresh air: by not polluting the air, we can all breathe better and have less smog in our cities. Less garbage: making less trash and reusing things helping helps keep our neighbors and the planet clean. Planting trees: trees gives us clean air and shade. Planting more trees is like giving the earth a big green hug. Cleaning up: sometimes pick up trashes in your communities. It's like giving our town a nice tidy look. So these are the positive impacts on earth by humans. We are going to be looking at the negative impacts next. Human impact on earth negatively. We have talked about the positively, so we are going to be looking at the negative. Pollution. When people trash chemicals and dirty stuff into the air, water and land, it's called pollution. So in as much as humans keep the earth clean, they also pollute it by throwing trash, chemicals, dirty stuffs in the air. Pollution can make the earth's air, water and soil dirty and harm plants, animals and even the people. Deforestation. Cutting down a lot of trees is called deforestation. It's like taking away homes from animals and making the air less clean, because trees help clean the air. Humans plant trees, yet they still cut them, and they cut much is called deforestation. And these trees help keep the air clean. So if the trees are cut off, it takes away home from the animals and it makes the air less clean. Climate change. Using things like oil and coal for energy can create too much carbon dioxide in the air. Too much carbon dioxide can make the earth's temperature go up, leading to climate change with problems like extreme weather and melting ice. Make the weather hot, very hot. Waste. Making and throwing away a lot of stuff creates waste. This can fill up the landfills and make more pollution. It's like creating mounds of trash. Loss of habitats. When we build houses and roads, we sometimes take away the place where animals live. This can make some animals disappear because they have nowhere to stay. The houses we build, though we need houses to live in, but we're also taking away the places animals also live in. Overfishing. Fishing too many fish from the ocean can hurt fish population and disturb ocean ecosystem. Pesticides. Using too many chemicals on farm can harm insects and other helpful creatures and make the food we eat less healthy. Using of pesticides pollutes the environment. When you use too much chemicals on your farm, harm of the wildlife. Sometimes people hunt and trade animals or their parts, which can endanger or hurt wildlife. This reduces wildlife in the earth. Air pollution. Pollution from cars and factories can make the earth dirty and unhealthy to breathe. So all these are the negative human impacts on earth. We talked about the positive. Now we have also talked about the negative. So human impact on earth can be both negative and positive. It comes hand in hand, just like good and bad. There's always good and there's always bad. So today's lesson on earth science, we understood about the earth and the structure, right? The rocks and minerals and human impact on earth. Okay? So our assignment is, what are the features of earth and the importance of taking care of our planet? I'm sure we'll be able to do that, right? Okay, that is very good.